Mulan's Magical Garden, The Mystery of the Talking Plants. Mulan loved exploring her grandmother's garden. One sunny afternoon, she discovered a hidden path leading to a secret gate covered in ivy. She opened it and found the most beautiful garden she had ever seen. In the center was a large oak tree. "Welcome, Mulan," it whispered. Mulan gasped. "You can talk?" The tree named Oakley explained, "This is a magical garden where plants can speak and teach you about nature." Oakley pointed to some sunflowers. "They follow the sun," he said. Mulan watched as the sunflowers turned towards the setting sun. "It's called heliotropism. They need sunlight to grow." Mulan approached a patch of roses. "Why do you smell so nice?" she asked. A rose named Rosie replied, "Our scent attracts bees and butterflies, which helps us to pollinate and make seeds." Next, Mulan saw green tomatoes on a plant. "Why are you still green?" she wondered. "We need time to ripen," said Tommy the tomato. "When we turn red, we are full of vitamins and ready to eat." As the sun set, Mulan realized it was time to go home. "Thank you for teaching me," she said. "Come back anytime," Oakley replied. Mulan left excited to return and learn more about the wonders of nature. Now it is time for a quiz. What is the process called when sunflowers turn towards the sun to get sunlight? A. Photosynthesis. B. Pollination. C. Heliotropism. D. Germination. Mulan's Enchanted Garden. In Mulan's garden, secrets bloom. Sunflowers dance, dispel the gloom. Roses whisper, tomatoes grow. Nature's magic, watch it glow. Tree and learning, bright and sweet. In Mulan's garden, knowledge we greet.